First step is to remove the faceplate. Next, you want to unmount the switches from the box. Once you've removed the switches, separate your wires and pull out the neutral bundle. The first thing you want to do is connect your end wire, the neutral, the white wire, to the neutral bundle in the box. Pull to ensure a strong connection. The next thing you want to do is connect the right side switch. That is going to be the RL2. You're going to take the L, one of the RL2 wires, and connect them to the live wire that's on the right side. Pull on each wire to make sure it's sturdy. To complete the right side switch, you'll take the other RL2 wire, and connect it to the load that's on the right side. Once it's connected, pull to ensure it's on snugly. Next, we'll wire the left side switch, which is the RL1. One of them will be connected to the line, and one will connect to the load. We'll start with the line. Pull to ensure a good, snug connection. Finally, we'll take the last RL1 wire and connect it to the load that's on the left side. Pull to ensure everything is snug. Switch is now hooked up. We'll just tuck everything back into the wall. Once you've tucked the wires back in, you can mount your iotty switch. The final step is to attach the faceplate.